With roof racks or crossbars installed on the roof of your Toyota, you can benefit from a range of rooftop attachments, including a ski and snowboard holder. Available from your Toyota retailer, it's simple to install yourself. The ski and snowboard holder comes in two sizes. The largest holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 3 snowboards. First, use the key supplied with the roof rack to unlock the clamp covers on the driver's side of the car and remove them. Then, slide out the 2 rubber T-slot covers. Next, insert the ski holders into the 2 T-slots and slide them to the desired location. Then open them and use the supplied Allen key to tighten them on both sides. Store the Allen key in the glove compartment. Place the skis and the snowboard in the holder. Close the ski holders and lock them with the supplied key, making sure to store it in the glove compartment. Check the ski holders to ensure they're firmly fixed, then reinstall the 2 clamp covers. Lock them and store the key in the glove compartment. To reduce wind noise, it's recommended to use the rubber T-slot covers as much as possible. Therefore, cut the rubber to the appropriate length. If you decide not to cut the T-slot covers, you can store them in your car. The ski and snowboard holder may change the behavior of the vehicle on the road. For safety reasons, never drive faster than 120 km per hour whilst installed. And make sure there's sufficient clearance when entering a parking garage. Remove the ski and snowboard holder from the vehicle before entering a car wash or when it's not in use to reduce fuel consumption and wind noise. If you have any difficulty installing your ski and snowboard holder, visit a Toyota retailer. There, you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.